Intelligent digital processes are changing the nature of work in at least 4 distinct ways. This is what we found in the research that we've done over the course of the past year with the Institute for High Performance. We've looked at how it is that companies are using digital technology, both their ability to gather more information as well as to analyze more information, and seeing what impact it has on the way in which work gets done. The 4 key distinct differences we're seeing are: 1, something we refer to as real-time adaptation, which is fundamentally reducing the lag time between discovering an opportunity to improve or to produce a new product to meet a customer need and actually doing it. Second is experiment-driven design, which is to say, rather than having a linear process of developing a design, building the tooling, and then going into manufacturing, more and more organizations are experimenting in real time with what a product could be, gathering information from many different sources, including from customers, to refine and improve a design, and even in the process of rolling out new generations of product, improving the design so that it meets customer needs. A third area in which we're seeing significant impacts is on the use of robotics. The next generation of robotics doesn't simply reproduce what a human being would do, it actually complements and augments what a human being would do. So in the case of Amazon.com's warehouses, for example, we see Kiva Robots, a company that Amazon acquired, learning from people and people learning from the robots in a very interactive way as opposed to one substituting for the other. And then finally, we're seeing edge-centric work practices begin to emerge. And this is fundamentally where organizations are pushing information out to the edges of the enterprise, whether in the case of 7-Eleven, it's a retail stores, or in the case of the United States Army, where it's operational units, rather than information being retained at the core and only distributed when necessary to the edges of the organization, actually pushing out a steady flow of information to the edges so that the edges can act more intelligently. So those are 4 key distinct work practices we're seeing emerging with intelligent digital processes.